Hello friends, in this class I am going to discussing about another important rearrangement reaction, that is Wagner-Merwin rearrangement reaction. Now I give you a definition of this Wagner-Merwin rearrangement reaction and further reaction and mechanism, and I give you a few applications of this Wagner-Merwin rearrangement reaction. Now I give you a definition of Wagner-Merwin rearrangement reaction. This is the definition: the change in the carbon skeleton to the rearrangement of carbocation intermediate in the presence of acid media, then it forms two different products. It is known as Wagner-Merwin rearrangement reaction. Okay, this is the definition. Simply, the change in the carbon skeletons to the rearrangement of carbocation intermediates in the presence of acid media, it forms two different products. Then it is known as Wagner-Merwin rearrangement reaction. Now coming to a reaction, this is the reaction. The carbon skeleton 1-methyl butene, that is 1-methyl butene sorry 2-methyl butene reaction. Coming to reaction, here initially we can take 2-methyl butene CH3 CH. This is 2-methyl butene. In the presence of acid media HCl, it forms two different products, that is CH3 bond C bond CH3 bond H Cl 2 chloro 1 2 3 4 2 chloro 3 methyl 2 chloro 3 methyl butane is formed. Another product, that is 2 chloro 2 methyl butane is formed. This is another product. There are two different products are formed from rearrangement of carbocation intermediates from carbon skeleton in the presence of acid media. This is the reaction. This is one type of product. This is another type of product. This is 2-methyl butane, and here 2 chloro 2 methyl butane also we are observed in this reaction. Now coming to mechanism, Wagner-Merwin rearrangement reaction. In this mechanism, initially we can take in this first step this is two steps mechanism. In this first step we can initially take in this step 1, initially we can take 2-methyl butene in the presence of acid media H plus. Here this bond is migration here, so the carbocation is formed. Here a carbocation is formed, bond CH3, and which is treated with this reaction. Now this reaction is treated with chlorine minus ion, then it forms a one different product, CH3 bond C bond CH3 bond H CH Cl CH3. This is 2 chloro 3 methyl butane is formed. Now in this second step, step 1 and this second step, we are using this carbocation, rearrangement of this carbocation by using in second step CH3 bond C bond CH3 bond CH plus carbocation CH3 bond H. This hydrogen is migration takes place and it forms rearrangement of carbocation. This type of reaction is formed. Here a carbocation is formed and CH2 bond CH3, and which is treated with another chlorine minus ion. It forms our required different product, second product, that is 2-chloro-2-methyl, 2-chloro-2-methyl, 2-chloro-2-methyl butane is observed in this second step. Initially, in this first step, we can take 2-methyl butane is taking, and which is treated with acid media. In the presence of acid media, it forms a carbocation intermediate, and which is treated with chlorine minus ion, and it forms one different product, that is 2-chloro-3-methyl butane is formed. And in the second step, we are using in this first step a carbocation is used, and which is replaced or rearrangement is carbocation. Then it forms a different intermediate carbocation is formed, and which is treated with chlorine minus ion. It forms another different product, that is 2-chloro-2-methyl butane is also observed. This is the mechanism of Wagner-Merwin rearrangement reaction. Now we are going to applications. Now coming to applications of Wagner-Merwin rearrangement reaction. Applications. In this first application, we can take usually alpha pinene structure, that is alpha pinene structure, and by using this alpha pinene structure, here the double bond is migrated here. In the presence of hydrochloric acid, this type of structure formed. Here chlorine and hydrogen is formed, and here this chlorine minus ion is removed, and it forms a carbocation, creates here, and it forms here this reaction. In this structure, a bond is migrated here, and it forms here a carbanion, and this carbocation and this carbanion, it forms a bond in between. Now it creates a carbocation, and this reaction, which is treated with chlorine minus ion, and it forms this type of structure. This is the one type of application of Wagner-Merwin rearrangement reaction. Now, in the second application, we can take this type of structure. Which is treated with, in the presence of acid media, it forms this type of reaction. CH2 bond OH2 water molecule, and this bond is migrated here, then it forms this type of reaction takes place, and here a carbocation is formed. In this picture, a carbocation is formed. And it is rearrangement of carbocation in this reaction which is changed to carbocation. This reaction is carbocation which is changed with replacement of carbocation. It forms this type of reaction. Carbocation in this place. This is the fluorine. This type of reaction takes place, and it finally forms this form of structure. Finally it forms this type of structure is formed. That is phenanthracene is formed. This is phenanthracene. This is phenanthracene is formed. Finally, phenanthracene is formed. Okay, or understand this Wagner-Mirin rearrangement reaction technician, reaction mechanism, and finally a few applications of Wagner-Mirin rearrangement reactions. I hope you can understand this reaction. Thank you.